Hello crypto lovers, Blueprint Crypto Updates is back and better. Thanks for the patience and support. Don't forget to subscribe for more crypto updates. 5 Bitcoin indicators to monitor for the bull run expected in 2025 as Bitcoin hash rate briefly reaches zettahash per second, and the trans brand recognition ready. Bitcoin, BTC, the pioneering cryptocurrency and currently the largest by market capitalization, has recently achieved the highly anticipated milestone of $100,000. This achievement marks a pivotal moment in the ever-evolving landscape of cryptocurrencies, particularly for traders and investors looking to capitalize on the forthcoming bull market. Here, we'll explore 5 essential metrics that you should closely follow to effectively navigate the opportunities presented during this bullish phase. Key Bitcoin/BTC metrics for the anticipated 2025 bull run. As Bitcoin traders and the broader cryptocurrency market prepare for potential new highs, understanding these 5 critical indicators can help illuminate the current state of the crypto ecosystem. 1. Bitcoin, BTC, price and market capitalization. As the foremost cryptocurrency by market cap, Bitcoin's price trajectory is a primary driver of market sentiment and serves as a bellwether for the performance of other large-cap cryptocurrencies. Observing fluctuations in BTC's price and overall market capitalization is crucial, as these metrics inform investors about the general health and optimism in the cryptocurrency market. 2. Bitcoin Open Interest, OI, on futures exchanges. Open interest, which measures the USD-denominated volume of open positions in various Bitcoin futures contracts, reflects market participants' optimism and the potential for volatility. A rising open interest typically suggests increasing trader confidence in future price movements, while a declining open interest might indicate waning interest in Bitcoin contracts. 3. Bitcoin ETF flows. Tracking the net USD-denominated changes in the balances of major Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, ETFs, in the U.S., provides critical insights into institutional and retail investor sentiment towards Bitcoin. Positive inflows into these ETFs often signal growing confidence in the asset, which can have a cascading effect on Bitcoin's price. 4. Bitcoin, BTC, hash rate. The hash rate represents the total computational power used by all mining rigs competing to validate transactions and secure the Bitcoin blockchain. A higher hash rate indicates a robust network security and reflects increased miner participation, often correlating with rising prices and positive market sentiment. 5. Bitcoin, BTC. Difficulty. The mining difficulty metric gauges how challenging it is to mine new blocks on the Bitcoin network. This adjustment ensures that blocks are produced at a consistent rate, approximately every 10 minutes. An increasing difficulty suggests a growing number of miners, often aligned with bullish market conditions. Future outlook for Bitcoin, BTC, in 2024-2025. Despite Bitcoin's impressive price movements, it continues to experience high volatility that characterizes the cryptocurrency sector, making it challenging to predict its future with certainty. Positive scenario. Several factors suggest a potentially favorable outcome for Bitcoin, BTC, moving forward. Key among these is the ongoing institutional adoption, fueled by the launch of spot Bitcoin ETFs in the US and Hong Kong. Leading companies inspired by Michael Saylor's MicroStrategy have begun adding Bitcoin to their corporate treasuries, while some countries are even contemplating incorporating Bitcoin into their national reserves. Additionally, the anticipated positive outcomes of the 2024 U.S. presidential elections may lead to a cessation of regulatory barriers that have historically hindered the crypto market. Many in the community believe the departure of SEC Chairman Gary Gensler in Q1 2025 could pave the way for a more favorable regulatory environment. With the increasing accessibility, liquidity, and clearer narrative surrounding Bitcoin, bullish predictions abound, with some enthusiasts forecasting prices could soar to $1 million per BTC by 2024. Negative scenario. Conversely, Bitcoin faces numerous challenges in the coming years. The rapid evolution of competing cryptocurrencies poses a significant threat as Bitcoin struggles to adapt and innovate. Critiques suggest that Bitcoin's technology is becoming increasingly outdated, hindered by a lack of developer engagement and funding, which may stifle its ability to adapt to market demands and competitor advances. Top Bitcoin BTC metrics to track in 2025. As we look ahead to 2025, it's essential for traders and investors in the cryptocurrency space to monitor key Bitcoin BTC metrics. Understanding these metrics can play a significant role in portfolio management and risk mitigation strategies. Below are some of the most critical metrics to keep an eye on. 1. Bitcoin BTC price analysis. The price of Bitcoin BTC, defined as its value in US dollars, is a crucial indicator of market performance. This price typically refers to rates on major spot exchanges with high liquidity, such as Binance, Bybit, and OKX, which experience less price manipulation than smaller exchanges. For example, significant buy or sell orders on less liquid platforms can drastically affect the BTC/USDT exchange rate, whereas this is less common on larger exchanges. Bitcoin's price is inherently volatile, with fluctuations of up to 10% occurring overnight, especially in futures markets, where contract prices may shift considerably. Understanding regional premiums is also vital. The Kimchi premium refers to the price difference between Bitcoin on Korean exchanges and the BTC/USDT rate on Binance, while the Coinbase premium refers to the difference between Bitcoin's value in US dollars on Coinbase and Binance. Monitoring these premiums can provide insights into market trends and sentiment in regions such as South Korea and the United States. Currently, Bitcoin's market capitalization has exceeded $1.1 trillion, with more than 19.97 million BTC mined to date. 2. Bitcoin BTC open interest. Open interest, AOI, in Bitcoin refers to the total number of outstanding derivative contracts that haven't been settled. Monitoring AOI is essential for gauging market activity and investor engagement. An increase in open interest often signals rising trader involvement and potential price volatility, while a decrease may indicate position closures or lower market activity. Analyzing OI can help investors assess market sentiment. A significant rise in OI with a notable price change may indicate a strong trend. Conversely, high OI without price movement could suggest indecision, hinting at a possible reversal. Platforms like CoinGlass track Bitcoin OI, and traders should prioritize risk management, especially during spikes in OI. 3. Bitcoin BTC ETFs flow. Bitcoin ETFs exchange-traded funds flow is a critical metric that captures the influx or outflux of capital in funds that hold Bitcoin. As of the fourth quarter of 2024, several Bitcoin ETFs are operational in the US and Hong Kong. The movement of funds into and out of these ETFs serves as a strong indicator of investor sentiment and can have significant implications on the broader cryptocurrency market. Outflows from Bitcoin ETFs suggest that investors are selling their shares, leading to a reduction in the fund's Bitcoin holdings. This often results in bearish sentiment and additional downward pressure on Bitcoin's price. Conversely, when inflows are observed, it indicates heightened investor interest as they purchase ETF shares, prompting the funds to acquire more Bitcoin to maintain their asset bases. This demand can bolster Bitcoin prices, reflecting short-term bullish sentiment. 4. Bitcoin BTC hash rate. The Bitcoin hash rate represents the total computational power miners dedicate to the network, measured in hashes per second, A/S. A higher hash rate indicates a more secure network, making it harder for malicious actors to take control. An increase in hash rate reflects miners' confidence in Bitcoin, as it shows investment in advanced hardware and resources. Conversely, a declining hash rate may indicate reduced participation, or challenges that could affect security and stability. Monitoring these metrics will help traders and investors make informed decisions and adapt strategies in the dynamic cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin BTC difficulty. A closer look. Bitcoin GBTC difficulty is an essential metric that measures how challenging it is for miners to solve the complex cryptographic puzzles required to validate and sign new blocks on the blockchain. This difficulty level is not static. It adjusts automatically approximately every 2 weeks, or more precisely, every 2016 blocks. The adjustment is determined by the overall computational power of the network, often referred to as the hash rate. The primary objective of this self-regulating mechanism is to maintain a stable block production time, ideally around 10 minutes per block, regardless of variations in mining activity. When the hash rate experiences a significant surge, often due to more miners joining the network or improvements in mining technology, the Bitcoin network's difficulty level is adjusted upwards. Conversely, if miners reduce their operations and the overall hash rate declines, the difficulty will decrease in the following adjustment cycle. This adaptive feature not only enhances the security of the Bitcoin network, but also ensures a predictable issuance rate for new Bitcoins, making the mining process less erratic despite fluctuations in BTC price volatility. Bitcoin P Central Bank Outlook for 2025. As we look ahead to 2025, Bitcoin BTC continues to hold its position as the largest cryptocurrency in terms of both price and market capitalization. In a historic moment during the fourth quarter of 2024, Bitcoin crossed the $100,000 mark for the first time, marking a significant psychological milestone for investors and the broader cryptocurrency market. Key metrics that investors should monitor in 2025 include Bitcoin's price and market capitalization, the open interest in Bitcoin futures and options, the flow of spot Bitcoin ETFs, as well as the network's hash rate and mining difficulty. These indicators will offer a comprehensive view of the current health and performance of the Bitcoin network. Bitcoin hash rate in exponential growth. Bitcoin's hash rate, which quantifies the total computational power securing the network, has recently reached an unprecedented milestone, surpassing 1,000 exahashes per second, EH/s, equivalent to 1 zettahash per second. This remarkable achievement was first recorded on January 2, highlighting a period of exponential growth for Bitcoin's hash rate, which has shown a drastic rise from only 173 EH/s just a year prior. Despite experiencing notable fluctuations, particularly following the quadrennial Bitcoin halving event that occurred in April, the hash rate demonstrated its resilience. After a significant drawdown in July, attributed to some miners grappling with the effects of diminished block rewards, a decline from about $2 billion in revenue before the halving to a low of approximately $815 million by September, the hash rate rebounded notably. It climbed from a nadir of 521 EH/s recorded on July 18th to a peak of 844 EH/s by October 21. This surge in hash rate not only indicates a more secure and robust Bitcoin network, but also aligns with recent observations from U-Today reporting that the Bitcoin mining difficulty has achieved a new all-time high of 109.78 trillion. The forthcoming difficulty adjustment, scheduled for January 12th, is anticipated to be positive, potentially pushing the mining difficulty past the 111 trillion mark for the first time in history. Additionally, recent research suggests a correlation between Bitcoin's hash rate and its market price, with the possibility of a bidirectional causal effect. In a notable development, Bitcoin's price exceeded the $100,000 threshold in December, although it is currently trading around $96,675. This fluctuation indicates the dynamic nature of the cryptocurrency market and provides insight into the interlinked performance of Bitcoin's hash rate and price, both vital components to monitor in the evolving landscape of cryptocurrency investments. Kindly give this video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe for more cryptocurrency news updates. Thanks for watching. If you find this informative, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Blueprint Crypto Updates informs your cryptocurrency decisions. Cryptocurrency decisions.